interesting, getting to learn more, and I'm also thoroughly enjoying the process. Right, let's just quickly get into yesterday's uh, three uh, scripts that we had a look at were one was Nifty, of course, Nifty 50. It is in a column of X, and this was down 0.22% today, though it gapped up. It slightly closed lower, and then we did discuss Gale and granules. Right, so Gale gapped up and it closed well, 0.84%, and granules did positive. Yes, it's a good move, right? We got 2% on granules at the open, and these two were looking good, or did look good. Nifty anyways remains bullish, so there's no looking at it. Right, let's just get to the process again, and this is sectors and anchor column follow through. 1 minute 0.15, again point and figure, then we go to your near month and anchor column follow through, and this is a Renko now for Nifty, Bank Nifty options, anchor column. No, this is a swing engulfing bearish because it's Renko. My apologies. And the final one is for stocks. This is, let's just take all options, stock options liquid, and let's go to anchor column, follow through, and we look at uh, 5%. Right. The first thing interesting, we've got some sectors on, and these sectors are good. Oil and gas, which uh, has turned out bullish. The chart looks extremely interesting. There's a long, tall anchor column sitting there, and Nifty commodities as well has shown a good breakout. Now let's check some futures to see which are the ones that have come, and we have ONGC and GAIL in the oil and gas, and in commodities I don't see anything in specific, so we're going to have a look at what we are looking at today. Right, let's just have a look at ONGC. It's a nice breakout, and this is my anchor column, ABC breakout. If you look at the 45-degree, it is a clear breakout, right? So that is good. Gale continues. ONGC and Gale will continue from yesterday as well, but ONGC has now come on to the script. Gale, I don't think we'll need to see it, but it is looking good, though there is a slight downward show, but I think that's a mistake that I have done. Let me try and remove this. Right now it's a nice ABC, and we're looking at what are the open vertical counts that we have. Above 181, we have 181, uh, we have 183, 185. That is there. Gale still looks good. ONGC looks good. We are aligned with the sectors, and those are the only two that we're taking. Something that I want you all to keep a watch on is Titan. Titan is looking pretty bearish now that it's below D Smart, and there is a 4 column uh, breakout which happened, and the bearish trend line is here, which has now broken the ABC, bearish ABC, and you can take this 3389 and 3294 is what I am seeing, and this is also an 100% pole which you can consider. right? So 3420 and 3389 in a bullish sentiment. Looking at bearish is not the best thing, but let's just have a quick look at day to see if Titan qualifies on daily basis as well, right? Daily basis it's above D smart. There's a long anchor column standing. I would recommend against the trend, but if you want to have a look at, you can keep this in the tab as well, because nifty bank nifty options engulfing it is still showing PE sell. Something that you can also keep a watch out for, bank nifty is HDFC Bank 720 PE sell has come. Now there is a turtle breakout and a follow through, so this also looks pretty interesting. A sell here with a double top buy at 30.4, and the current market price is 20.8, which is about a 10 point stop loss for maybe a 10-point gain, 1:1, or taking the whole Monty of the 20 point. So this is something you can keep a tab on. UPL is looking very good in the option charts. I think it's a nice turtle breakout, and you can of course keep this open as well for CE. Quickly summarizing, we've had a look at Gale and ONGC are the primary ones. Gale from today has carried on to tomorrow. Titan against the trend, but it's not a bad shout or a bad shot. And HDFC Bank for Bank Nifty, you can keep an eye on HDFC 720 PE short, and a stop loss of 30.5, which is around 10 points, which is 5,500, like a stop loss around 5,500 to take over either a 5,500 a 10-point gain here, or the full Monty at 20.8. Right, we'll see the gap opening. Of course it may not be the same, but we'll see the gap opening and we'll see how that goes. UPL's looking good. 27.2 is the current market price. 19.6 is the double bottom sell, where you can probably consider your exit, but otherwise UPL looks good as well. Thank you, wish you well, and all the best.